evolution of the human brain, a message to future generations, 2025 to 2045. Dear future minds, between 2025 and 2045, humanity stands at the threshold of the greatest transformation in the history of consciousness, a journey where artificial intelligence, AI, and the human brain intertwine, not as rivals, but as collaborators in evolution. The next 2 decades will redefine what it means to think, to learn, and to be human. For centuries, our progress was powered by tools that extended our physical abilities, the wheel, the engine, the computer. But now, our tools extend our minds. The fusion of biological intelligence and artificial intelligence will reshape memory, creativity, problem-solving, and emotion. It is not just an era of technological advancement, it is an era of cognitive evolution. Globe showing Europe Africa 1. The cognitive renaissance. AI will become the mirror of our minds, reflecting how we think, revealing hidden patterns of reasoning, and amplifying imagination. By 2045, intelligent systems will work beside us as cognitive companions, helping us think deeper, faster, and more strategically. Students will learn from adaptive AI mentors that evolve with their curiosity. Researchers will collaborate with digital thought partners that simulate hypotheses in seconds. Doctors will diagnose diseases through neural insight powered by real-time data. The human brain, once limited by biology, will expand its reach through neuro-AI symbiosis, wearable neural interfaces, cognitive augmentation tools, and brain-inspired computing systems. This will not replace human thinking but enhance it, much like telescopes' enhanced vision or language extended communication. 2. The Neuro-Digital Connection. The line between human thought and machine intelligence will blur. AI will decode the language of the brain, transforming brainwaves into actions, emotions into data, and creativity into computable insight. The human mind will no longer be isolated within the skull. It will exist in networks, shared ideas, and digital ecosystems that connect billions of thinkers. This period will give birth to the augmented mind, a mind that remembers perfectly, learns continuously, and collaborates globally. Neural adaptability will become humanity's most precious resource, allowing individuals to reshape their own cognitive potential. High voltage sign 3. The ethical awakening. But with great power comes great consciousness. As AI begins to influence thought and decision-making, future generations must guard the sanctity of free will. Ethics, empathy, and responsibility will matter more than algorithms. The challenge will not be whether AI can think like us, but whether we can remain wise enough to guide it with humanity's highest values. AI will test the moral and psychological boundaries of our species. It will force us to ask, what is intelligence without compassion? What is progress without purpose? Milky Way 4. The Age of Collective Intelligence. Between 2035 and 2045, a new kind of intelligence will emerge, not artificial or human, but collective. AI will help humanity synchronize its thoughts across disciplines, cultures, and nations. Imagine a world where an environmental scientist in Kenya collaborates instantly with a geneticist in Japan and an artist in Brazil to solve global problems through shared neural data. This is the dawn of the global mind, a living, evolving intelligence born from billions of interconnected brains and algorithms working in harmony. Dizzy 5. The Human Legacy. To the generations of 2045 and beyond, remember that the future of the brain is not about replacing humanity, but refining it. AI is the mirror through which we will understand ourselves more deeply, our fears, our hopes, our creativity, and our limitless capacity to adapt. Use AI not merely to build machines, but to build wisdom. Use it to unlock empathy, imagination, and collective purpose. The brain of tomorrow is not mechanical, it is metamorphic, shaped by the light of knowledge and the ethics of its creators. By 2045, the human brain will no longer be the same, not because we lost our humanity, but because we dared to evolve it. AI is not the end of human intelligence, it is its next chapter. Let this be your mission, to merge innovation with compassion, science with spirit, and intelligence with integrity. For in this great fusion between mind and machine, the true evolution will not be technological, it will be human. NeoMind AI. The future is today.